Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta Full Forum videos. In this video, we will talk about RTO Full Forum. What is the full form of RTO? It is Regional Transport Office or Road Transport Office. RTO is RTO is responsible for registration of vehicle and manage state-wise driving license and vehicle registration card. RTO main works are driving license, vehicle registration, pollution test, and insurance. Next is Indian RTO office states are these which you which you hold the screen and write into your notebook to get your state or prepare for GK question answer and other exams. Now, if we talk about basic documents requirement, which documents are required for RTO? It is application of registration of the vehicle, age and address proof document, passport size photograph, sales certificate of vehicle, roadworthiness certificate, PCU certificate, insurance paper of the vehicle, customer clearance certificate, sales tax certificate, temporary registration number, invoice of vehicle. If we talk about other full forms of RTO, these are full form of RTOs like radio traffic only, real time, recovery, time objective, rent to own, reject off. Like these forms are important for RTO. You can hold the video, pause the video and note it in your copy or book, so you can prepare for GK question answer if anyone asks other full forms of RTO or 5 or 6 number of full form of RTO. So if we move next, then you can subscribe the Code Meta channel by clicking on subscribe button and get more videos from us. You will get technical videos, full forum videos, knowledge videos or news on different topics from us. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Meanwhile, click on subscribe button to subscribe the Code Meta channel.